Morning guys, it's Saturday and we're here at Darnell's game. We are filming off my phone because we forgot the battery of our Canon camera. So it's Siaosi's fault because he was just trying to get himself ready and didn't get anything ready. Oh my god, my hair looks so stupid. So we're pretty excited to see him play. I didn't have time to do my hair because I was trying to edit our 100 Nugget Challenge vlog video in the car. But Darnell's really excited. He really wanted me to be here so I could film him and put it on the channel so you viewers can watch it. Are you going to run it straight for us today?
Yes.
Are you excited to be playing? How many tackles are you going to do?
4.
4 tackles. 4 tackles.
No. Who's here today? You. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And Papa? There's Darnell right in the middle. Go now! He was so cute running. Run straight! Nice! Go now! Straight now! Straight! Go now! Go now! Go! Hey everyone!
Hi everyone, we're here at the mall on Sunday.
We've just quickly come here. We've just quickly come to see if we can get a suitcase for a decent price for Siaosi. Because I'm going to use an old one, and
We're at the mall to buy some or to look for some suitcase for
we
us.
just want to see how much they are first.
Yeah.
Because they can be quite expensive, and we don't want to get like a cheapy one because we know it's going to be broken while they throw it around in customs, because I've seen how they treat suitcases and it's just not good. I don't know, we didn't get travel insurance. Yeah, we didn't get travel insurance, which I probably think is going to be a mistake. I'm a little bit nervous.
Guys, please help us. What we're gonna do, what we have to make sure to be, yeah, what we have to take, and we make sure to put in our suitcase. We use it in Singapore. Comment below, please. Comment below.
Yeah, comment below. Any suggestions of what we have to take, or reminders, or what really helped for you? If you can please comment them below, because this will be our first time and we really don't know what we're looking for or what to expect. Siaosi's excited, but I'm kind of nervous.
Yeah, I'm nervous too.
Right?
Yeah.
Huh. You told me you're excited.
Yeah, I'm excited, but a little bit nervous. Because this is my first time to travel far away.
With no Samoans?
Yeah, little bit Samoan.
How do you know? You don't know any Samoans in Singapore?
I saw on the stadium when the 7's on.
Whatever. Oh, lang ikaw. Finally. 오빠 우로 오프와이 가위야. We're looking for a suitcase. We don't know. We don't know what to expect. We're traveling to Singapore soon, and we don't have any suitcases, so we just need just one suitcase. I don't even.
For both of you?
Just for one.
Okay, so what's the size? Like, you would like to go for the biggest size?
Well, we don't know what size to go for, and we don't know what kind of suitcase is good as well.
We have less price than this as well. We have some at 99 as well.
Oh, really?
Very well in the market as well.
Oh, that one is good.
So you have this shade, this is a lovely shade.
Do you like that one, babe?
Purple is very common these days.
Yeah, we'll get the purple one. We like this one. That was quite easy.
Yeah, so this comes to $99.99.
That's pretty easy though.
We got our suitcase and we got some few extra things because we're going to do another challenge. I've just got so many videos to upload, honestly. And as we were saying, I mean, we've said this probably a couple of times in this vlog. Please, if you have any suggestions of what we must take. Where are you going? Oh yeah, that's right. Of what we must take to Singapore or to traveling overseas, please comment them below. If you're an experienced traveler, this is our first time going overseas, so if you have any suggestions, please comment them below. I mean, we know the general stuff like undies and underwear or whatever, but like other stuff, I don't really know. But we'll be packing Siaosi suitcase tonight, so you guys will see what he's going to pack. You guys are going to see his skid marks. Do you know what skid marks mean?
Skinny underwear.
No, not skinny underwear. Skid marks. Do you know it? It means...
It means skinny.
Okay, let's try and think of the most diplomatic way to explain it without being rude. It means when you have kio and you go to the toilet and you do a little poo, and some of the residue of that poo is still in your bum, and then it rubs on your undies.
And marks young.
And it marks your underwear. Anyways, that was the best possible explanation I could give in the context. Thank you, honey. Oh, hello, everyone. Hey, little doggy. Just finished doing our Chubby Bunny challenge.
Yeah.
And it was so hilarious.
Hope you enjoy.
Yeah. We'll post it up soon. Siaosi. Picky eye. Sa oed bese foi gale. Picky. It's nice to spend time together, you know, outside of the house, away from the room or TV and all of that, because we are exhausted, and I kind of didn't want to go, but I'm like, dude, I need to spend time with my man. So we're going up on the mountain and just enjoying the sunset, I guess you could say. It's blind, but baby, all I see is that you don't love me anymore. Cry, 'cause I feel like it's strong no more. I'm just on this riding a buzz. Many times it breaks my heart.
Eva Maya, Eva Maya, Eva il musica, lea uamanaya. Eva Maya, Eva Maya, Eva il musica, lea uamanaya.
We're here. We made it just in time, guys. Look how beautiful that is. I've got the hiccups. So beautiful. Oh my god, look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. We took so many photos of ourselves, which we'll show you right now. That's the old Parliament House, that white one. That's the new one up the top there. That's the War Memorial. It's getting real cold out here. So very cold. Yeah. Magnificere, magnificere, nguquosios.
Right. Oh, right on. So they couldn't decide on
So we're ending the vlog now. Thank you so much for coming along with us. We did not forget, we're going to do comment of the day, but give me a second, I'm getting there. Oh, I chose one of our faithful, loyal subscribers, which is, oh, I need to be quick. S550. If only Maccadees kept using dark meat like they used to do back in the 80s, much more juicier compared to the dry white meat nowadays. The 100 nugget challenge would have been a walk in the park for me. Seriously, it's actually more harder than you think. I thought that we were both gonna smash it out, but obviously not. But thank you so much for your loyalty, for subscribing, for always commenting on our vlogs. We appreciate you and we love you so much, S550 and Siaosi.
Oh,
Talk
and
quick, baby.
most thank you for the comment of the day of this video. The cutest baby you ever did see it is, let me see it, Siaosi. Oh, your nephew is to die for. He's so cute, chubby and cute. Looking forward to your Singapore vlog. Please make them daily while on holiday so us Fiola can get a taste of what the other side of the world looks like. Oh, okay. We do that. We do the video for that side of the world and let you know. Thank you, Siaosi. We love you so much.
Thanks, girl. We see you always commenting, so thank you so much as well. We love you guys. Thank you for coming along with us today.
Also,
and we've got
all our comments. And
also it's Siaosi's birthday next Monday.
Yeah, next Monday.
So I don't know
Please
if you want to drop some ideas for me, because, well, actually, babe, your trip, you already got a car and you already got a trip to Singapore. That's your birthday present.
Yep. We need more presents, please. Oh.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.